Hello, this is Greg. I purchased this USB portable rechargeable soldering iron. I've already taken it out of the box. I have charged it for the 90 minutes. Well, until the light went green. I don't know exactly how long that took. They say it takes 90 minutes. So, it comes in this little carrying case. Put the box in a safe spot. And you get directions, soldering iron, a charging cable. I did not use that charging cable. Now this goes in and it feels like it stops right there, but you need to give it a little extra push to get it to turn on, to get it to actually seat in there. It should stay in there nicely. USB-C at the bottom, the light turns green when it's fully charged. You hold the button in, hold the button down till it flashes. I don't know if you saw the flash, but all three of them flashed, and then you can just hit one at a time, and one button, two button, three button. Comes with a, that's on right now. It has its little holder. Set that down right there. Comes with some solder, and it comes with some solid rosin flux paste. So we are going to go over here, or I am. You can watch if you choose, and I am going to see about putting this little board together. I figure if it's got enough juice in it to get this done, then for in my box when I'm just out doing something, it should be able to manage it. So first of all, let's try with a couple of these resistors. Give them a little bend. Oh, I missed the hole completely on that. I need my other eyes. Hold on. Where are they at? There we go. Slip that into there. Boom. And I like to put my resistors in all the same way on the colors. Come on. If I can. There we go. And boom. Right there. A little bend out. And a bend out. All right, let's flip this over. Oh boy, that's nice. I can see that super, super good. Oh, okay. Now let's take a little bit of, right now I'm fiddling with my soldering wire. Set it out here. Oh look, this even has a little holder in my stand. You can't see it from there, but I can't move it because it won't be on camera. I'll just use this one for now. All right, so let's go ahead and put a little bit of solder on this. I'm just going to be dipping into this when I go away. I'm just going to dip into this rosin and come over here and do a little soldering. See how this little bugger's going to do. Let's get it warm. Well, that worked. Dip in the rosin. Come on. Hold still, Greg. Maybe. There we go. That's better. Come on. Okay. Lots of times these boards really don't need any flux at all. I can't say I'm a fan of this solder wire. But it's working. It's doing it. Getting the job done. When it doesn't work at all, that's when you can complain. You still see what I'm doing? Yeah. I'll admit, I do like my 500 Celsius. Oh, that's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There's 4 down. Grab my snippers and, oops, flip them over. And no, I couldn't find any bigger snippers. For anybody out there asking. Okay, so that worked. And I'm going to finish this because I'm really curious to see how well it does. Right now I am bending transistor legs, if I can. And, oh, do these both, number one, are both these transistors the same? Let's take a look here and see. Where are we at? S9014, S901, yes, they are both exactly the same. So, I am definitely an amateur, but I really don't want to be a rookie. You know what I mean. Oops, I went the wrong way. Gotta bend them back. Here, here, and here. There we go. Now those should just sit in there for me. All right, so run. And let's go right over here. Can I see this good? Yes. Gotta bend that. I do like the fact that it's light and that there's no wire on the end of it. Come on. But it is not really. Did it turn off? It did. It turned off on me. Or is it dead? Three blinks, and then 1, 2, 3. All right. I think I turned it off. Now I just turned it back on again is what I think I just did. Let's give a little more dip in the... Yeah, it's hot. It's not as hot as it could be. I almost think it went to sleep for a minute, because the lights weren't on when I picked it up. Now it's taking a minute to get hot again. Okay, well, let's let it sit there for a second and get warm. I'll be done in just a few. So I picked this little kit here because it only has, what, 1, 4, 8 components total. So let's go back and see if we can get something done here. This is just going to be a real-time. There it went. Gotcha. Now we're cooking. There we go. Got you. Excellent. Okay. Just had a little operator error there for a second, but yeah, we're doing good now. Come on. A little bit more in there. Just got to keep checking those lights and make sure that they're on. I'm going to hit that rosin again. And one more time. This will definitely be nice for fine soldering, for little small things. Okay, and now let's clip these off. I am wearing safety glasses. Don't give me any grief, please. But I don't get any comments anyway, or at least very few. I don't get any views either. That's why I'm always so relaxed in a video, because I know that very few people are going to watch it. Okay, now we got a couple of capacitors. We've got the ground wire. Boom. And shove those right straight down as far as they will go. And we've got the ground side. Boom. Right there. Flip this back over. Are my lights still on? My lights are still on. And we've got to move up here a little bit. I got to see what I'm doing. It's part of the reason why I make these videos is because I have to make them anyway. I have to have the microscope out. I might as well make a video because I'm referring to it continually back and forth to see where I'm sitting on stuff. And then when I get to surface mount soldering, that's when it's really, you really just have to have it. Oh, that didn't take it all, did it? Come on. I wonder if this solder wire they sent me is just not really that great. Let me try my stuff over here. I don't even know what it is or what it's called. Let's see if it does any better on here. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's, oh, look at that. See that little tiny hole right there? Ha ha. I missed a hole. That's why. And look at this one. This one looks like it didn't even hardly touch the wire at all. But it could just be an optical illusion too. And it was. It was. Clean my tip off just a little bit. Make sure those lights stay on. All right, let's get to this. I don't want to have a lot of BS going on here. I just want to get this done and see if it works. Okay, now we have these two LEDs right here. We got the little ground is going to go this way. And this ground is going to go the opposite way. Okay. These will give a little bend, both of them, because they'll want to fall out of there. Okay. Still on? All right, let's hit this with my stuff here. Good. And I do have this on its highest setting. I just default to the highest setting on every soldering iron I ever use. Excellent. All right. Well, now let's go ahead and flip these up. I guess I can. There. Left-handed and there. Pull this back and slide this out. Let's go to the webcam. And what did I miss? What did I miss? I only have, oh, power in and out. That's all. Okay, that's no problem. We'll take a bit of power. We've got a little bit of plus right here. We'll stick it onto there. We got a little bit of negative right here. We'll stick it onto there. Oh, almost. Go in there. Excellent. I don't know if I have a contact or not, but I suppose we'll find out if the lights flash. And we've got, no, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Hold the buttons down. Flashes and it's off. Okay. And before it gets too cold, I'll go ahead and doctor that tip a little bit so it starts off looking good. Okay, the rosin, that worked good. I can't complain a bit about this. Well, I think that this solder wire is a bit, you know, it's $9. I mean, I'm not going to beat up on them for not sending out the best of wire. So let's see if we can plug 3 volts into this, see if it's going to work. Where are we at? Oh my God. I'm on 9 volts. I'm going to turn this down a bit. Come on. And 3. And we'll go with, how about 2? 200 milliamps, and power. Oh. Oh, hold on. No contact. I had a bad contact. Look at that. It's a little flasher. It works. And that's not really the point of the video, but the point of the video was that now I have, and it's reached, this all did this off of the charge. Now, that's not an extensive job, but if you're out in the field and you just need to replace a capacitor in a, or something like that, this should work pretty good. I might even buy another one. It was $10. I got it on Temu. Let me go to my, first I have to, let me show you this. Might as well be thorough since I'm doing it. Exit, go to the desktop, and then we're going to click on the little icon, the Temu, the orders. And where was it? Must have been, oh, there it is right there. And right there. I paid $6.47. Let's go back one. I paid $6.47 for it. I thought I paid 10. Oops. So they're $9.25 right now on Temu at the time of this video. So I am I like it. And where's that box again? Right here. Oops. And then it has a bunch of numbers on the back, which I have learned to completely ignore other than the input voltage. Because the rest of this is all who tested it, how was it tested, under what circumstances. It's what the numbers say. What I look at is it solders. So I'll just unwind this solder and wind up a bunch of this solder, and I have myself a nice little mobile kit that will go in my case. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you make a decision one way or another.